Hey everybody, it's Nabeel coming at you again today. For all my subscribers, I just want you to know that it's been about a year since I've uploaded, and I have a very good reason for that. My house got hit by an EF3 tornado on Memorial Day of 2019 and pretty much destroyed it and my studio. And ever since then, we've been in a sort of rebuilding, regrouping process. So hopefully I'll be up and running here, making new videos for you on a frequent basis. I appreciate you guys sticking with me through this last year. It's been a rough one. I'm awkwardly positioned right now because my studio is not completely up and running yet. But hopefully we'll get that taken care of soon. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy this video. This 24 bin rack we like to use in our house for my daughter's art supplies. This is perfect to keep anything she needs in its own bin, nice and neat and organized. We had one of these already and it got basically destroyed in a tornado. One of the first things we got was a new one. So, hope you enjoy. Here we go. Inside the box you've got limited warranty information as well as the parts list and setup instructions. Inside the box there are a bunch of these little plastic things. I believe they go in the tubes for packaging so they don't get crushed, and it's just for transportation. You don't use these in the setup. We've got 4 wheels. So step 1, you're going to take the 4 bottom poles, which look like this on one end and this on the other, and you're going to take the wheel and you're going to screw it in. Alright, just hand tighten, and you're going to repeat that with all 4. For the next step, you're going to take these plastic snap sleeves, and they have orientation markers on there that tell you what side is the top. You're going to snap them on this bottom groove, and there's 2 that interconnect with each other. Each one has a male and a female side, and they connect with each other and snap together. So you're going to do this on all 4 bottom legs. You only want to put this on the bottom groove for right now. Alright, so once you've got all 4 legs with the bottom clip on, you then want to take each leg and put it through the bottom rack in each corner. All the racks are the same, and you want to have the rack oriented so that this middle bar is on the bottom. And what I mean is, so the middle bar is below the grating. The grating will cover up these plastic clips. Okay, so once you've got the bottom on, you're just going to repeat steps 2 and 3. So you're going to put the plastic clips on the next groove, the next highest groove on the legs, and slide over the next shelf. Also, you're going to want to make sure that you orientate the shelving in the same direction. So one side of the shelving has this little lip and the other side does not. So make sure they're all on the same side of your shelving. We've got the little lip on the same side, and just slide it down. Be gentle when you're putting it over these clips because they do come off fairly easily if you're not careful. And once you get it started over the clips, then it's okay. They're not going anywhere, and just push it down. Alright, now we're on to step 4. Just take the top poles and screw them onto the bottom poles. Step 5, we just do the same thing with the clips to put on the upper shelves. Also note that where the two poles connect is one of the places that you're going to want to clip these plastic clips on, because the shelves will go there. Here is one of the bins. You can arrange them however you want on here. And these will fit in between the racks on the shelf to keep them steady from moving around on the shelf. So once you find a spot for it, it's not going to slide back or forth. 12 of this size shelf, 6 of this size shelf, 6 of these big boys. And also with the big boys comes some dividers, which you can choose to use or not use. Inside these big bins, there's little notches, little cutouts here and here, and the same thing in the front. You'll notice on the divider at the front, there's a little notch that sticks out, and same thing on the back, right here. And they go in those little holes, and they just snap into place. So now you've got a nice divider for the big shelf. You can put another one in, so you've got 3 equal sizes. Just leave one in or don't use any, it's up to you, however you want to utilize these bins. So there you see, you've got a little bit of extra shelf space for other stuff. It's also helpful to make it so that you can arrange these in any order that you want. On the top shelf there you can see I've got a really big one, a small one, and a medium sized one together. And that gives me just a little bit of extra space on that shelf. But no worries, because we've got tons of extra space on the bottom as well in those bottom 2 shelves. So any way you want to arrange these, there's no right or wrong way. And it gives you a little extra space for whatever else you need to store on these shelves. I put one divider in right here, And these are all the extras that I'll put in as I see fit. And the wheels are locking, so you can roll it, or you just push down on it to lock them, and they all four are locking. So you can lock one or none. Don't forget that it comes with these labels, different sizes for different bins, and plenty of those. And it just slides in like so. These little schnitzel things, don't worry about these. So you'll have those probably everywhere like I do on the floor. Just a little cleanup. The hardest part about this physically was probably separating the yellow bins from each other, which you probably wouldn't expect to be the hardest part, but they kind of have some suction action going on. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. I appreciate all my subscribers. Like I said before, I appreciate y'all sticking with me. I hope to bring you lots more videos like this and lots of different other things too. I'm going to be showing you more Seville Classic products from Sam's Club and their Ultra HD line. Not sponsored, just stuff that I like. Just anything that I'm interested in. I hope that you will be too, and I hope to share that with you. So please, if you want to help me out, click that subscribe button, and that's it. I'll catch you on the next video.